Welcome back to Cars with Jordan. Today we have MG RX5 2022. Is a big MG logo on a grill which stands for Maharaj Garages, not Fatma Gandhi. Now let's see what's inside the car. Look at this maroon garage seat. Look at the sliding armrest. It also has a panoramic sunroof. Look at that sliding open like sliding in my DMs. Hope the body doesn't make sushi from top. The car has 18-inch Michelin tires. It also has the MG logo on her back. Let's check the driver's seat. It also has MG badging on a scuff plate. Here. It has a push button to start the engine and a touch screen. This is automatic park and brake and the auto hold button when you stop at the signal. Come let's check the car's boot space. The car has 600 liters space. That's so much. The color of the car matches the color of the sky, but not today. It has a 2-liter engine and its T stands for turbo. Thank you for listening.